Good afternoon. We're going to check out how to do some modifications to the settings to different assignment activities. These assignment activities are identified by an icon like this that I'm showing on camera. Okay. Once you are in the desired activity, make sure you enable the edit mode. After it's been enabled, click on Settings, scroll down, and down here you'll have an array of different settings that you can select and set up for a particular activity. So for this case, let's check out submission settings, right? We have the option to require students to click the submit button, require that students accept the submission statement, or provide additional attempts, right? This is especially important for activities that are assessed or evaluated, right? So we should give it to never, or we can change it accordingly to manually to however multiple times we want the students to be able to submit an attempt. In this case, we're just going to leave it as never. Then let's check out restrict access. This is to create restrictions for certain groups. Under activity completion, you have a multiple choice of options here, such as students must make a submission, or you can multi-select out of this. If students have already submitted to this particular activity, it'll be locked, but it's only a matter of unlocking the settings and they will be updated for all the students, even though if they have or not submitted an activity. As for submission types, in order to, if in any case you see that there is not a submission option for the activity, you have to open the submission types drop-down menu and make sure that file submissions is enabled. This will allow students to submit a maximum number set up by you of files and the maximum submission files, okay? As well as if you want to be really specific and restrict to a certain type of format, such as PDF or docs, you can do this here just by simply typing PDF or choosing from the options here, from a pool of options that you have here, and clicking Save Changes. Once you have set up your desired activities, among other ones, we have availability, in case you want to enable at a certain date and time and cut off the date or give a due date to a specific activity. Under the availability drop-down menu, you have those options. After you have set up as you desire your activity, click on Save and Display. And by scrolling down here, we see that we have the View All Submissions or Add Submission page here. In the case for students, you have a grading summary here, where you'll be able to see how many participants you have in a determined course, how many have submitted, how many need grading, okay? And up here we have the option to see what students need to do. They will see this same notification, so when they open this activity, they will see to do, they must make a submission. Okay, once this has been submitted, it will change to green and say done, make a submission. Okay, and that's how you configure and set up different settings in your assignment type activities in Moodle. Thank you.